Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna do a PA for this week. So you can see that this is on Mondays. Not really, not Monday. Damn. So Monday, I think I missed the buy. Monday because of the CAD interest rate raise. Technically we supposed to buy 28. Yeah, here. We supposed to buy a CAD yen, but we didn't have the balls to buy at so high level. Could have bought here and just put a stop loss here, and wow, this is a very high level. The reason being why we can buy is, I think it's here. Oh, this is the Tuesday one. Monday. Yeah, this is the here. Morning wake up, I saw this price over here and it just went. Then it went so high up. It's insane how much a home run it is. So actually we could have bought over here 9 o'clock. Nowadays we have to take note of the timing, more like 9 o'clock. So it's like market open, the first hour, second hour Asian, 9 o'clock is the more important one. For European, the first 2 o'clock Frankfurt open is not really a good timing to buy. Usually you should buy at least like 3 London or 4. 4 usually is the best. If 4 o'clock price action fail, then you can just let it go. Don't try to enter at 5 or 6 o'clock. Usually we just leave it to the New York Open, and New York Open, if it range, usually 10 o'clock will be the best to just scalp a 1R or 2R. That's usually the best timing I notice right now. So first play first is because of CAD interest rate raise, and as well as the oil commodities high inflation, oil will be doing well. We could have bought in the first place. We could have entered the CAD yen buy over here. Then we can hold, maybe at least until here lah. This is the Monday's trade. See, NIAR Monday's trade. Oh. Then I missed this trade, so technically it's possible to predict what direction to go. If we can't predict, we don't know how to predict, we can typically skip Mondays. I would say Monday not really it's really a retracement day, or it's really a go day. So it's tricky to trade on Monday. Tuesday, if there's an interest rate, then usually for now I tend to trade reverse of the Monday move, but apparently in this case it's not really. 3 days straight of bull for Canadian dollar, so currently not a fan of it. But you can see Canadian, yes, CAD, we try to go reverse on Tuesday over here. I think I started on London. It's like came that down, looks like a reversal, but we didn't see this like strong. I think we did see, but we just trying to practice selling this. So when 8 o'clock comes, the news bring it up, smash down and it just resolve downwards and it just go and go and go. Three o'clock. What is today? So for now, the CAD not really. Wow, even New Zealand is also 3 days straight negative. So maybe only USD and Canadian might fluctuate a lot. So for now, maybe USD and Euro I will play reverse. Then for CAD, CAD New Zealand, Aussie, we don't do this stuff lah. Only USD and Euro. Okay. Then that's all for USD CAD trade.